Honor Magic 5 Flip 2 is officially launching on the 21st of August, but today I've got something special for you, an advanced unboxing along with my very first impressions. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. So this right here is the Honor Magic 5 Flip 2 in its dream blue color. Let's quickly open up the box. The first thing you see, of course, is the phone itself. Along with that, you get the usual set of accessories. Once we peel off the plastic wrap, the phone reveals its gorgeous dream blue finish, and honestly, the first look is really eye-catching. The back panel has a sandblasted texture, which means you won't have to worry about fingerprints sticking around. The camera lenses are placed vertically, giving it a neat premium design. On the inside, the main display is a 6.82-inch LTPO OLED panel with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. On the outside, there's a 4-inch cover screen, and what makes it fun is the little animated pet that shows up there. Now, checking out the rest of the box, you get the user manual, a protective case in the same dream blue shade as the phone, an 80-watt fast charger with a Type-A output, and finally, a Type-C to Type-A data cable. As for the cameras, this flip phone comes with dual 50-megapixel sensors. Powering it is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, and what's impressive is that it packs a massive 5,500 mAh battery, pretty huge for a flip phone. So for now, that's it for the unboxing and first impressions. The detailed review will be coming up on our channel right after the official launch on the 21st of August. Make sure to stay tuned and don't miss it.
Give it all.